Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Crypto. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Back again with another CRO Crypto.com video. A bit of an update for you guys. Not heaps to talk about today, but I still wanted to make a video because there is some key things going on with this crypto that I wanted to talk about. As always, guys, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So let's get into it. CRO currently trading at 11 cents. Now, really interesting on this one. I was sort of expecting a price rise since the announcement with the UFC and Formula One, which we'll talk about a little bit about in the later part of the video. But obviously, we did see Bitcoin dip under 30,000 this week, which did see the crypto market as a whole drop. Now, if you look at this chart here, around the 17th, 18th was when Crypto.com announced this partnership with the UFC, and they had their major event, which was the Conor McGregor main event. Now, we can see a little bit of a movement there, and obviously a bit of a swift rise here, topping out in the high 11 cent range, and then we obviously saw a major drop here to the 10-cent range, and then we've been back on the rise. But overall, it hasn't really been the rise that I potentially thought it might be. Understanding it is early days and not everybody watches the UFC or the Formula One, but regardless, I was expecting a little bit of a rise. But don't be scared, there's some really exciting stuff happening for this crypto, and if you're a long-term investor, as always, or at least for the rest of the year, I do see big potential in this one, and I do still believe that it could hit $1 this year if the bull run continues. So going into the news, guys, this is sort of the news of the week here. Crypto.com deploys its Ethereum virtual machine chain testnet. Running on proof of authority consensus algorithm, Cronos is powered by Ethermint, a proof of stake chain interoperable with Ethereum and EVM compatible chains. So this is pretty big news for CRO. The CRO chain testnet allowing the projects built on Ethereum to transfer over to its ecosystem from chains compatible with Ethereum virtual machine is now live. In the announcement on Tuesday, CRO said it had launched the testnet for its Ethereum virtual machine, or EVM, chain called Cronos, running in parallel to the Crypto.com chain. The chain is aimed at providing developers the ability to move projects from Ethereum and EVM compatible chains to the Crypto.com ecosystem, giving users greater access to DeFi features like smart contracts. So this is pretty big news for Crypto.com, and Crypto.com's native token CRO will be used for settlements on Cronos. The token is currently ranked 30 on cryptocurrencies for CoinMarketCap at the time of this article, which was only not even 24 hours ago, with a market cap of 2.5 billion. The company recently reported developers could benefit from startup accelerator Particle B, providing 100 million in capital to projects contributing to the Crypto.com blockchain. So obviously, like I said before, I was expecting a little bit of a price rise. Now, aside from the Bitcoin stuff, we didn't see this happen. So that was the same with the other cryptocurrencies on the market. We saw a bit of a general dip, but it was down about 18% on the 7-day before the Bitcoin drop. It's probably likely to the platform's aggressive marketing push. In my previous video, I discussed their aggressive marketing push, which has seen CRO link up with Formula One and the UFC. But I do think this latest announcement could help fast track the project's goal of accelerating the global adoption of cryptocurrencies. And this testnet could really be a big deal for CRO. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Moving on to some other news, so CompoSecure partners with Crypto.com to bring cryptocurrency to mainstream. So CompoSecure, a leading provider of premium financial payment cards and emergent provider of cryptocurrency storage and security solutions, has announced in partnership with Thales Group, it is manufacturing the first of its kind card from Visa and Crypto.com, the fastest growing crypto app. CRO's Visa card is a prepaid card that allows users to load their crypto funds and convert them to fiat currency for purchases. It runs on the Visa processing network and saves cryptocurrency enthusiasts from the struggle of accessing funds in real time by allowing instant access to it to make immediate purchases in the real world setting. Now, a member of this company went on to say, as the world begins to open up after the pandemic, the Crypto.com Visa card expects to continue to expand globally. Given the increased spending behavior due to the pandemic, crypto continues to push into the mainstream and is opening its doors for what is already the most widely available card of its kind on the market. Obviously, the card comes in 3 tiers, which you would have known if you're a CRO enthusiast or a CRO investor. And he also went on to say that the use of crypto as payment is changing, and we are changing with it by supporting a variety of technologies to offer the most flexibility to our customers. Our metal cards provide the best of both worlds, offering a premium experience at the physical point of sale while also ensuring a strong back-end digital technology to support whatever payment option is needed. So this is pretty exciting news, guys. And again, I am a fan of the Crypto.com Visa card. I would love to know if you guys are as well. Moving on to other news, Crypto.com introduces Kronos to scale DeFi. So obviously this is another article talking about what we just discussed with Kronos, and this is all over all the big major crypto pages, and I'll link some of these articles in the bio so you guys can read some of this. But Crypto.com revealed that the testnet got around 100 million from Particle B, and it would also have access to over 10 million users on the crypto exchange platform. So again, I do think this is going to be a pretty big deal for CRO. And this isn't news necessarily, but always positive publicity. Recently published top 5 cryptocurrency credit cards gaining popularity in 2021. And we've got CRO down here. CRO Visa card offered by Crypto.com are an excellent option for anyone looking to increase their rewards. Credit card offered by Crypto.com offers a variety of benefits, including 100% cashback. The amount of free currency exchange transactions you can do each month is unrestricted, and you can apply for the Visa card and get up to 8% back in CRO on your purchases. So just some more positive news for CRO, and I think, like I said, I was personally expecting a little bit more of a push with the UFC and the Formula One deal, but I do understand it's a slow burn, and their goal is crypto mass adoption, and that is going to take time, especially when Bitcoin is down. As much as, some of you guys may not like Bitcoin, it is still the runt of the litter, and it is still the one that's ruling the roost. So, and whilst Bitcoin is down, most of these cryptos will remain down. As always, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments. What's the future like for CRO? I think it is still bright, and I still think we've got quite a bit to go on the bull run for this one. And as always, watch this space.